Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the incoming call screen on your Android device. Let's get started. Alright, so the default incoming call screen on Android is pretty basic. But did you know you can customize it to make it more personal and fun? There are a couple of ways to do this, using your phone's built-in settings or by downloading a third-party app. I'll walk you through both methods. First, let's see how to change the incoming call screen using your phone's built-in settings. Just go to your settings by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and look for call settings. Or it might be under sounds and vibrations, depending on your device. Next, look for call background or call display option. There you can choose a new background image or video for your incoming calls. Select an image or video from your gallery. Once you've chosen your new background, don't forget to save your changes. If your phone doesn't have a built-in option for changing the call screen, don't worry, you can use a third-party app. And that's how you can personalize incoming call screen on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips or if there's something else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.